In lane 1 for Yale University, Devin Sargent. Lane 2 for Yale, Jesse Lee. Lane 3, K-State Anderson Xavier. Lane 4, Lane Auburn University Louisville, Summer Cardinal. Your numbers, one seat comes in the number 705-75. Indiana University, leading off Anna.
There we go.
In lane 6, leading on goal, Iowa State University, Sienna Ando. Lane 7, leading off UCLA, Isla Buda. Lane 8, University of Cincinnati. Lane 9, leading on goal, Iowa State University, Mila Picard. Lane 10, leading off Yale University, Claire Nichols. Sienna Buckeyes now in lane 6. In great opening leg. McCloskey lane 5 for IU. Ando for the first 200. 142. In the water now for Ohio State, Gia Lindsay. 80 lane 1 field, 50 lane 2 field. Joel Watson, Wolf from lane 4, Yamamoto at 5, Lindsay at 6, Bennett at 7, Paige Hall for Ohio State at 9, and Eunice Lee for Yale at lane 10. Solo drive, 56 is a lead one. Buckeyes at lane 6, still dominating, backing out right now for second. Indiana at 5, Louisville at 4. Number 1 now, freshman for the Buckeyes, Aaron Miller. K-State at lane 3, Paige Hudson for Louisville at 4. Indiana's Graham at 5. Miranda Graham, sophomore for Indiana, comes up and ties. Aaron Miller also firing in for Louisville. Hudson at 4, Graham at 5, Miller at 6. Let's go, Morgan! Morgan McGregor now opens up a Bobby Lincoln half lead over Hedrick for Louisville and Little for Buckeyes.
Let's go, Morgan!
5:13:82. 17s for the Buckeyes of Louisville. Anchoring now, Gomez Sanantonio for Louisville. Christina Prager for Indiana. Rachel Backrack for the Buckeyes. Rachel Backrack, freshman for the Buckeyes, close on the end.
Go, Boyd!
605, 607, a second separate. Celedonio now back in third place. Fifty